It's with me, Debs,
Sophia and Jaden.
and today we're making courgette and carrot muffins. Now before you start thinking, oh that's a bit weird, vegetables in my muffins, think of how amazing carrot cake can be or something like that. So we've started with a cup of flour and a pinch of salt. Sophia is going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Over here I've got about a cup of shredded courgette or zucchini and half a cup of shredded carrot or grated. Sophia, you can add half a cup of sultanas. This is going to be our wet bowl with the veg, so we're going to add, would you like to crack the egg? There you go, crack the egg in there for me. Perfect. Okay, you tip that in. Just leave it on the side, it's fine. Jen's going to pour in the egg. I'm adding some vanilla extract, just a little dash. We've also got 3 tablespoons of oil. You count them for me.
1.
You could use melted butter if you wanted to.
2. 3.
Perfect. So, oh, you've got the wooden spoon, excellent. Add in just about a shake, or is it a shaker? Yeah, do a shake of cinnamon in there. And a little bit more, perfect. This is actually our dandelion honey that we made earlier in the year, but normal honey or a sweetener of your choice is fine. We're going to use half a cup. Okay, pour that in there. Give it a great mix around. Can I just borrow your spoon a second?
Okay. Should I mix this?
Yep, mix that up for me, lovely. We have preheated the oven to 180 degrees C, which is 350 Fahrenheit. We've got our flour, cinnamon, baking powder, pinch of salt, and raisins or sultanas or any other dried fruit in there. I've got shredded or grated courgette, carrot, I've got an egg, I've got vanilla extract, and oil and honey. And now we're going to mix the two together. So, if you pour that one in there and you mix. You mix in a minute?
Yeah.
That's it. Do you want to get the metal spoon and just scrape it in? When this is mixed, you just want to combine it. Don't over mix your muffin mixture. We're going to pop it in our silicone muffin trays and cook in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And these will be great for lunch boxes. They'll go in the freezer. You can keep them in an airtight container for several days, or you can pop them in the freezer for a few months. Okay, are we good?
I still see a bit more flour.
That looks great.
Yeah.
It's quite a runny mix because our honey was quite runny, but that's fine. Yeah, you just see a little bit of flour there.
Yeah.
And just mix to the bottom. Perfect.
Bye!
Thanks for watching.